Hello everyone, welcome today. Yes, today in the daily newspaper of Friday. Yes, it's almost weekend. Friday, November the 11th, 2022. And November 11th. Well, it's today. Singles Day. Yes, it's an Asian Black Friday. Yes, in Asia. There's a Singles Day, and you can buy cheap electronics. Only today, yes, only today. It's Black Friday in Asia. We have here two regular puzzles, the Sudoku Light and the Sudoku Heavy. And we have also an additional, yes, let me show you, an additional with extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the ladder Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. Then we have two tectonics, one with 4 stars and one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it Saiva block, and in Japanese, Suguru. And the last one is a binary puzzle. These puzzles, I'm not interested. So total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all, only half of them. I will solve 4 of them. Otherwise, it's too much for me and it's time consuming. Otherwise, I need also the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Otherwise, it will be a day job for me. But first, let me start with the Sudoku Light. And this will be number 543. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 27 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus in the additional, it will be a 1 star. A 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Alright, is this really a 1 star? We will see. So let's get started. Let me see, the one in this column, first column, the one in the second column, so third column, the only place left for the one should be there. 7 in the third column, 7 in the second column, first column, so the column between the second column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6 is missing, the 7 and the 8 is missing. 5, 6, 8. 5, 6, 8, 5, 6, 8, 5, 6, 8. Then look, we have a 5 and 8 in this row. So no 5 and 8 in this box. The 5 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be here and 8 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 6. All right. Okay. Then the following step. Let me see. We have a 1 in the last column, the 1 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this third row. No 1 there, 1 should be there. Okay. The 2 in this column, the 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in the middle row, so no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2, 2, okay. I'm thinking, 2, 2, okay. 3 missing numbers now in the first column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. And look, we have a 2 and 3 in the third row. So no 2 and 3 in this box. The 2 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 3, 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And 3 goes there. So 1 digit left in the first column for number 4. Alright, the 2 in this row, third row. The 2 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. We have a 2 in the first column, the 2 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in the third row, so no, last row, so no 2 there. The only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the last row, so the row between the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And all the 2's are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 2 are right. Okay. Then. Let me see. Which number can I pick? We have a 4 in the first column, the 4 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in the second column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 6 in the second row. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. So we have 8 in this first row, 8 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 6, 8, 9. 6, 8, 9, 6, 8, 9, 6, 8, 9. And look, we have a 6 and 8 in this row. So no 6 and 8 in this box. The 6 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number 9. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 3 in the third row. So no 3 there. 3 should be here. And a 5 goes there. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 5. We have a 5 in the third row. So no 5 in these 3 boxes. Here 5 in this column. No 5 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square should be here. All right. Okay, the 8 in the last column, the 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be there. Then. Let me see. 7, 9, and 6. Well. 9, 4. All right. 6. Need a 6 here. 1, 4. 1, 4, 3. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number in this row is the number 3. Well, we have a 3 in this column. No 3 there. Here 3 in that column. So no 3 there. So the only place left for the 3 should be there. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 in these 3 boxes. Here 3 in the last row. No 3 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 3. Okay. Cannot continue with the 3 now. All right. 7 in this row. 7 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7 in the middle column. So no 7 there. 7 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the middle row. So no 7 in these 2 boxes. Here 7 in this column. No 7 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square should be here. 7 in this column. 7 in the column next. So last column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the last column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and a 6. 4 and a 6. We have a 4 in this last row. So no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 6 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and a 6. 3 and a 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means 2 numbers left in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 4 in the third row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 9 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing. Alright. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 4, 5, 9. 4, 5, 9, 4, 5, 9, 4, 5, 9. And look, we have a 5 and a 9 in this row. So no 5 and a 9 in this box. The 5 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 4. 1 digit left in this row for number 1. Alright. Okay, 1 digit left in the second row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. Alright, 9, 9. 1 digit left in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. Alright. Then 5 and a 9. We have a 7 in this column, the 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this middle row. No 7 there, 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 7. 2 missing numbers in this row. I've marked those 2 boxes with 3 and a 6. So these 2 should be also 3 and the 6. 3 and a 6. We have a 3 in the middle column. No 3 there. 3 should be here and the 6 goes there. 1 digit left in this big square for number 6. So we have a 6 in this. We already have a 6. 6, 6, 6. Okay, 7, 7, 7. 2, 2, 2. 3 in this column. 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 1 in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be here and a 9 goes there. 1 in this column. 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 9 in this column. Oh, no. We need a 9 here. 1 digit left in this column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see here 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and the 9. We have an 8 in the middle column. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And a 9 goes there. Now we have a 9 here in the last row. So I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 5 and a 9. We have a 9 in the last row. So no 9 there. 9 should be here. And a 5 goes there. 6 and 8. Well, we have an 8 now in this row. So no 8 there. 8 should be here. And 6 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Told you need to be faster than 15 minutes. So it's definitely a 1 star, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we will meet again later on with the... in a minute. Yeah, I will do the Sudoku Heavy. Yeah, the next one is the regular Sudoku Heavy. So see you later. Bye-bye for now.